Who was here? Buddy? He's more interested in the Grandma Stars. Buddy, was the Easter Bunny here? Did he drop something? Did he drop something for you, bud? There's Grandma Stars on the ceiling. That's what you like. Oh, wow. Oh, did you break it open, bud? What's that? Hi, happy Easter. No, don't touch Mommy's lens. What's that? That's a good way to open them up, buddy. Looks like there's a chocolate treat in there. No, Pebbles, it's not for you. What's that? Are you ready for breakfast? Yeah? Have some toast and peanut butter? Maybe some chocolate. Sound good? Happy Easter, buddy. Mommy and Daddy love you.